get to 60 or 70.
Well, Roy Williams thought that they'd have to score a lot of points. They did in the first half, not so much in the second. And Hinson got it all the factor in the second half, and it's all over. Duke was at 79.
I ain't even mad at Carolina, man. I ain't even mad, man. I ain't even mad about that shit.
It's over. It's over, Roy Duncan. It's over, Ira Doodoo Drew. It's over, J.D. Zeller. Dub by time, where you at, baby?
Meet me at Chapel Hill. Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Hold it. It's poetic justice. They talk crap about the offense, like Nolan Smith and Curry want to take over. They took over even though Singlet shot bad. But you know what? The fifth-ranked team in the league is going down. See you in Chapel Hill.
Can't wait. Get some. Get some. It's over, baby. You already know who it is. Big Duke Blue.
2011 Dodge Charger.